guys, welcome to Wellste Channel. Today Wellste takes you to understand the sanding finishing aluminum. Aluminum sanding finishing is metal finishing process that is performed to give the product a homogeneous, opaque or thin gloss appearance, removing any irregularities or surface residues. Its surface features a more grain-like, brushed or grooved appearance. Sanding finishing is between matte and polished finish. Its surface has a certain gloss, but is not overly reflective like glossy, nor is it as dark as matte. This process is useful for aesthetic or purely functional purposes. It can hide surface defects such as scratches or marks and reduce glare, obtaining a perfectly uniform surface finish. Depending on the aesthetic effect and the abrasive belt used, it is possible to obtain a various shades of satin finish on the aluminum. Do you know how the aluminum sanding finishing is performed? The aluminum sanding finishing process is very simple and can be carried out using specific sanding finishing machines. First, it is necessary to clean the aluminum surface. Then, apply a thin layer of abrasive paste evenly on the aluminum surface. It will help remove any imperfections on the surface. The important step is to use a sanding finishing machine to process. This process is carried out correctly and precisely, without damaging the surface. Last, after cleaning, the aluminum sanding finish is complete. In addition, chemical methods and sandblasting can also be used for aluminum sanding finishing. Generally, sand anodized will be obtain a better surface treatment. The sanding effect is achieved by controlling parameters such as temperature, concentration, voltage, and time during the oxidation process. Different parameters can produce different colors. In addition to the natural color, we can also customize such as champagne gold, red, bronze, black, red, and blue. Wellste can carry out different kinds of aluminum finishes. In addition to the standard models, we also customize sanding finishing. For more information on sanding finishing aluminum,